In this video, we'll go over 4 potential dangers of following ketogenic diet, so stay tuned and keep watching till the end. Number 1. Following this diet may lead to keto flu. Many people who follow the diet often cut down their carb intake to about 50 grams carbs per day, which could come as a shock to your body and trigger headaches, nausea, dizziness, and constipation. Number 2. It may even take a toll on your kidneys. By eating a lot of animal products, you may cause a lot of stress to your kidneys. Excess amounts of meat and animal products could lead to acidic urine and a higher risk of kidney stones. Number 3. It could cause digestive issues and changes in gut bacteria. Since you cannot take a lot of carbs, you end up taking less fiber, which could cause digestive woes and constipation. Number 4. If not followed properly, the keto diet may even lead to more weight gain. Many experts have doubted the sustainability of the diet. That's all for this video. If you enjoyed the video, consider liking and subscribing.